Welcome to Beach My Travel. My name is Anna and today we are reviewing audio footage from cheap microphones. All the microphones we have selected you can purchase for under $10. And I'm really curious if we'll be able to get some decent audio for the microphones we have selected. All three microphones are different type microphones and all can be directly connected to your mobile phone device. So if you do vlogging on the mobile phone device, keep watching. The first microphone we do have is suitable for interviews. It's the microphone that you do clip into your jacket. The second microphone is condensed microphone. This one comes with a stand, so you can have it in front of you once you're recording your vlogs. And also a direct microphone that you can plug into your mobile device. Suitable for recording videos and audio on the go. Right, let's get to it. Right guys, so we're currently using the condensed mic. We have connected the mic directly to the mobile phone. So hopefully you guys can hear the audio properly. As I said previously, this microphone is just under $10 and it has been the best-selling microphone on Amazon. Hi guys, so now we're using the microphone which you do plug into your jacket. It has been a best-selling microphone by Amazon, so hopefully you can hear me properly. And as I said previously, all the microphones are under $10. So last but not least, it's the mobile. So this microphone is already plugged in directly to the mobile phone. It comes with a little fancy pouch, I suppose, for your change while you're running around recording your audio and your videos. And hopefully you guys can hear me properly. After testing audio on all three microphones, I definitely suggest looking into perhaps spending a little bit more money if you do want to have really decent audio. However, from all the choices, the condensed mic definitely done the best. And I think if you do vlogging or recording the videos in a standstill position like I am at the moment, the condensed mic will be the best choice. So I highly recommend to go with the condensed mic if you only have $10 spare. Thank you very much for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe.